Hello students, let us start our next chapter, chapter number 6, subject and predicate. We have already studied about sentences in one of our previous chapters. Sentences are group of words that makes a complete sense, right? We have already discussed this in one of our previous chapters. Now let us proceed. Sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Listen to this carefully. What a subject is? Subject is the noun or a pronoun present in a sentence about which we talk in that sentence. Okay? Subject is that part of a sentence about which we are talking. It may be a noun or a pronoun. On the other hand, predicate is the detail given in the sentence about the subject. It contains the verb and the rest part of the sentence. Once again, what is a predicate? Predicate is the details given in a sentence about the noun or the pronoun, or we can say about the subject. It contains the verb and the rest part of the sentence. Let us take up a few examples to make the thing clear. My first example is, the sun shines in the day. What is the sentence? The sun shines in the day. About which noun or a pronoun are we talking about in the sentence? Means इस sentence में किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? तो इस sentence में हम लोग the sun के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So the sun is our subject. Now keep this in mind. Along with the noun, you will take the article also. Okay, so the sun is our subject. अब sun के बारे में क्या बात कर रहे हैं? sun के बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि it shines in the day. So this part is the predicate. Is this clear? Let us take up one more example. Example number 2. I shall do my homework now. Now tell me which is the noun or the pronoun in this sentence about which we are talking. इसमें किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? इसमें I के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So I is our subject. And what details are we getting about I? The detail is shall do my homework now. So shall do my homework now is the predicate. Okay? I hope this is clear. Next, let us take up an example of an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means when we give orders or commands. Okay? Usually in an imperative sentence, our subject is hidden. Our subject is hidden. It is not usually mentioned in the sentence. Let us take up an example. See, sit down. This is an imperative sentence because this is a order. This is a command. Here, subject is not mentioned. So it is hidden. Usually when we say sit down to a person, we mean you sit down. So here, subject will be you, and sit down will be the predicate. I hope this is clear. Let us take up one more example of an imperative sentence. Thank you. Thank you. When you say thank you to someone, we actually mean I thank you. Okay, हम आपको thank you बोलते हैं. Thank you for something. Okay. So here also our subject is hidden. So you have to consider I as the subject and thank you will be the predicate. Means when our subject is hidden, you have to use your brain to understand, okay, who is speaking that sentence. Accordingly, you will decide what is the subject of the sentence. And this order, sit down or thank you, is the predicate part of the sentence. I hope this is clear. Thank you.